Now, after packing of glass, we are learning how to place the glass on the bed, right? So the glass should be placed on the bed in this way. Now, after placing the glass on the bed, to hold this glass, we'll be using the paper clips, the normal clips, right? So we'll be using 4 clips of this kind to hold this glass, like this. And 2 on the other side. In this way. Now these 4 clips will hold the glass on the bed, and after placing these clips, you can remove these holders. Right? You can remove these holders. Now after placing the glass on the bed, the next step is to make X, Y and Z to their home positions. These are just to ensure that the X, Y and Z axis are working properly. Right? To do so, we'll select and we'll press the jog dial. When you will press the jog dial, you will see these 4 options on your screen. Right? Now, when you move the jog dial to the clockwise direction, you will come up to the option of the prepare. Now, after selecting this prepare option, we'll move to the further parts of the prepare. Right? So, when we move down in the prepare, we'll see there is an option of home. Right? We'll select these options, and after that we'll see the 4 options there as well. One is of prepare, other is of all home, other is Z home, and the now last is Y home. Right? So from these 4 options, we'll select the all home by pressing the jog dial. Now when we press the all home options from the screen, right, we'll see that this axis will move to the forward direction for Y home. This will move to the left side for X home, and this bed will move in upward direction for Z home. Like you can see, when we press the all home option, see it is moving in the forward direction for Y home. Now this is the Y home position. Now for X home, this is moving in the left side. Now this position is X home position. After that, this bed is moving in upward direction for Z home position. Now, as we can see, these all X, Y and Z are on their home positions.